Creating, setting permissions and sharing files and folders in Cisco Quad is easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add documents to your library, share these documents with other users, and keep documents private so no one else can edit them. Let's get started. You start adding a file by going to the library. This can be your library or a community library. So let's add a file. If you want to add a document such as a Word or PDF file, click Documents. To add an image, click Images. In either case, you will see the list of folders you have. I'm going to upload a document for this video, so I'll click Documents. Next, select the folder where you want to upload the file. To add a file to the folder, click Add Document. Then browse for the file that you want, select it and click Open. Give it a title. If you leave this field empty, Quad will use the file name as the title. You can add some description here if you want, and give the file tags for easy searches later. Let's say template is one of the tags. By default, Quad shares your file with everyone in your organization by checking the public checkbox over here. You can uncheck it to hide the file from other Quad users, or you can click on Settings to customize the permissions. Check the box for your required action. For more actions, click More. Note that the permissions you set here apply only to users who will view the file as guests. You can change those permissions as well as other roles' permissions once you create the file. Finally, click Save to start uploading the file. Now you can see the bar below is telling you that the file you just added is uploading to the folder. And there it is. The file that I just added appears in the folder. Hover over the file to view the actions you can take to manage it. Let's say I want to edit the file permissions. First, I'll click the permissions icon to open the permissions window for the file. The table you see here lists the different users' roles defined by your Quad administrator and their current permissions. The guest row corresponds to the public permissions you set when creating a file. You can reset them here if you change your mind. Now assume you want to give edit and view permissions to all users who are restricted community creators. To do that, check the respective checkboxes like this. This way, those users will be able to view or edit the file but won't be able to perform other actions. When you are finished setting permissions, click Save to return to the folder list. Now that you've uploaded a file and set its permissions, you can choose to share it with other users. To do that, you first create a post. I'm going to enter a title and a few words in the body. Select with whom and with what permissions you want to share, and then click Add Link down here. Then select Documents. Choose a library and then select the file you want to share. Click the Add Document link. You can add links to more files if you want to, and then click Post. Remember that you must set the file permissions so that the user you are sharing with is included. Otherwise, they will see an error message when they attempt to download the file. Now that you know how to create documents and images in the library, be sure to also watch the other videos covering the documents functionality in Quad.